Hello viewer, we will take one by one different shapes and create the design so that we can get a specific arrangement in front of you. So there make the bird design with different shapes. So let's generate the further and keep on making the designs. Then create the other one. Here we will make further designs as well. So that is the shape we are going to generate. It's the diamond and the angle as well.